Do you guys believe in divine interventions? Because I do, and I know for a fact that this job was exactly that. Stumbled upon this job on the morning of May 14th, the day I got laid off in the US. Except when I saw this job, I didn't know I was about to get laid off the same day. And it's not even like I stumbled upon it by chance या LinkedIn ने मुझे recommend की. I have this habit of reading up news about similar companies who are working in a similar space, and I usually read about US based companies. उस morning मुझे कोई कीड़ा लगा था, and I particularly searched that company's name on LinkedIn because I was trying to read some news or some article about them. But when I went to their page, I saw that there was a job posting that was posted just 2 hours ago calling for a bioprocess scientist. And guess what? I was a bioprocess scientist. So I was like, I'm not gonna punch a gift horse in the face. And I just applied to the job without thinking much. Of course, उसी दिन मुझे मेरी नौकरी से फिर धक्के मार के निकाला गया and मेरा दिमाग का फ्यूज उड़ गया था. पर जब मैं घर गई तो मैंने पहली चीज ये की, I re-looked up the company on LinkedIn and I messaged their CEO and CTO.
This is the message, screenshot for reference.
I honestly thought I took a shot in the dark, but much to my surprise, they replied the very next morning telling me that they were very impressed and they would like to schedule an interview for me the same week. And they basically asked me to prepare a 20-minute presentation about my past projects and throw in some slides about myself and my hobbies. So literally the same week the interview happened. I remember I woke up at 4 a.m. to do this interview with the CTO because of the time difference. First interview happened in May and the second interview was scheduled for July, and these people basically invited me on an all sponsored trip to Germany to do the interview in person. I was like, what freaky trip. But then मेरे सपने टूट गए because उस टाइम मैं यूएस में भी जॉब हंटिंग कर रही थी and उस टाइम इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करना बहुत रिस्की था, so I had to turn the offer down. So I ended up doing the second round virtually and I remember कंपनी के हर जने ने मेरे को इंटरव्यू किया था. The interview lasted 4 to 5 hours and इंटरव्यू के एंड में the CTO comes to me, he's like, भाई हम सब तुमसे बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड है, हम तो फर्स्ट राउंड में इम्प्रेस हो गए थे, ये सेकंड राउंड तो बस फॉर्मेलिटी थी, तो जॉब इज योर्स.
I was like, hey.
It was just really hard to believe, especially after my experience in the US, where I would get ghosted after multiple rounds of interviews. Okay, so at that point, my OPT had already expired, so I was no longer hunting for jobs in the US. And वो Germany का job start हो रहा था October में, and मेरा US का grace period end हो रहा था September में. So it was perfect timing wise. So I accepted the job. Before I signed the letter, they had let me know कि उनकी company was experiencing some fundraising delays, and they would prefer if I started in January of 2026 instead of October. I still accepted the job because again, beggars can't be choosers, right? Even though I signed my offer letter in July, they were not going to apply for my visa until November because Germany में Indians के लिए कोई fast track system है, तो visa बहुत आराम से मिल जाता है, तो वो last minute की चीज थी. So I kept my options open too. मैंने कहा जब तक ये लोग मेरा visa apply नहीं करते अक्टूबर नवंबर में, तब तक मैं भी job ढूंढती रहूंगी. उस duration में I did a couple more interviews in different countries including Canada, which I preferred because that would mean I could be closer to my boyfriend in the US. As I was inching closer to my November deadline, I received another job offer. I'll tell you about it in the next video.